What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carl's here with Serranos Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas, guys. Today we're gonna be working on a 1995 Cutlass Supreme, and we are heading there right now. I'm super stoked for this one. We're gonna be doing a interior detail on this one. Long story short, I met this customer about a couple weeks ago when I was dropping off some giveaway products, some giveaway stuff at the local post office. He saw my magnets and asked me if I detailed cars, and we talked and everything, and blessed I am that he gave me a opportunity. So that's where I'm going right now. We're gonna be doing a interior detail with an exterior wash, as well as we're doing a brand new product review. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, so hopefully you guys can see this this leather. We have all this browning and stuff. So usually what I tend to do, guys, is I will spray the cleaner, and then next tool I will use, guys, is going to be the leather agitation tool. And I usually use this one first to kind of, this one does the hard work for you, right? Does the hard work for you. And then what I'll do, guys, is I'll just wipe it off. Now here's the extra step I do, is just, I don't know, I got into that habit, guys, and then I'll come back with this Ninja and just kind of agitate it again, and the Ninja scrub will get whatever the other tool really didn't get, and as well kind of like the fibers get into the material. And then next thing I'll do, guys, is check this Vortex air tool out. If you have headphones, turn it down just a little bit. Here we go. And hopefully you can see all that dirt coming off. A reason why I love this tool is because as it's spinning, it's really kind of getting into every little crevice in this leather and removing it. And as you're blowing it down, it's cleaning it so much nicer, guys. And this is why it just takes me a little bit longer to do sometimes some details, but it just gets so much better in all these areas of the leather. So that's why I love using the air tool last while it's wet and you scrubbed it, because it'll literally remove everything. And there you go. Washing stage, this is usually my last process. I do the interior first, wash last. But anyways, I'm trying out this soap, which I'll be doing a review on it pretty soon, and I'll give you definitely more feedback on there. Just trying it in a couple more vehicles to see how it reacts. But I'm about to show you this new product by Fab Automotive Detail Supply, and I hope you guys like it just like I do. But let me go ahead and rinse it off, and we'll be back. All right, guys, it's product review time, guys. If you're in Texas, Houston, San Antonio, you don't have a DI water tank, it's okay. There's products out there that's gonna help you simplify your drying process. All right, and I'm gonna show you right now this product I purchased from Fab Automotive, or Fab Detail Supplies, for $10.99, guys. This one here is $10.99, which is the Distinctive Details Sheeter Wax. All right, and what this does is you spray it all over the car after you wash it, and then I'm gonna show you how we use it, and it's very simple, and I have really enjoyed this product. All right, for the fact that it has really given me extra minutes to dry the cars out in the hot sun. Okay, this one here, it's a concentrated drying aid. It sheets the water from the vehicle for a quicker drying, and it leaves like a wax shine, a wax-like shine. And to be honest, I have really enjoyed, after I dry it, the paint feels slick, but it's not a wax. But with this one here, I'm able to do about 16 of these 32-ounce bottles, which is very cool. For $10.99, I can get 16 refills. That's a no-brainer, and I'm able to do a good maybe 3 or 4 cars out of this one. But anyways, let me show you how this product works, what it does, and we'll finalize this video. All right, let me show you really quick this paint right here, and I hope the camera can maybe catch a little bit of the water behavior. And as you guys can see, this paint is very flat. There you go. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna spray this cheater wax all over the vehicle, and then I'm gonna show you guys how amazing it performs. All right, guys, so I went ahead and sprayed everything, and check this out, guys. Here we go. After you spray it down, guys, you want to rinse it off, and that's pretty much all you have to do. But watch. And now it's sheeting, it's beading. That's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse it all off, dry it off, and give you guys the final look on there. All right, I've gone ahead and rinsed it all off, guys. Now here is, at first you guys saw this thing flat. Now it's literally all beading. It is nice. So that's what this product does. It's gonna give you a nice beading action on your vehicle. But let's finish drying it, and as always, I start from the windows. It's just a habit. We start from the windows, and then we'll work our way to the paint. Very easy, very simple to do, guys. And to be honest, it really makes the paint slick, even though it's not a wax, but it leaves something on there that makes the paint really slick, and it gives it a very, very nice gloss, guys. So overall, again, you can get this product from the Fab Automotive Supplies. I'll be posting a link on it down below, so you guys can go and check it out. He has a lot of products. If you're into Geon products, he has Geon products. He has his own supplies, and he has Distinctive Details supplies as well. So he's coming out with some great products, that's for sure. And this one here, I'm definitely enjoying it. So let me finish drying this car, and I'll show you the interior, how it turned out. The product we used today was the Distinctive Details Cheater Wax, guys. This is a great product to use after you successfully rinse your vehicle. Wow, it's so slick. After you successfully rinse your vehicle off, wash it, whatever you want to do to it, before you dry it, you use you get 32-ounce bottle. I do about 2 ounces to the one I do about what says 12, but I'll do 2 ounces in I fill the water up to the 1000, and then I'll put 2 ounces of the product. And that's the way I diluted this product, to be honest. And then after you rinse it, spray your product all over the vehicle, and then come back, rinse it off. And I really haven't timed how long I have to dry the vehicles, but it gives me ample time to literally dry the vehicle without rushing the drying, and literally leaves it nice and glossy, and it gives it just a nice feel to it. Like if I literally just waxed it, it's crazy. But anyways, you guys have a great day, be safe, and again, I'll be posting the link down below on this product. Give it a try for $10.99, guys. It really doesn't hurt our pockets, and I honestly feel this is a really great product. Many try Superior's maybe wash and wax, I think it's called, but they have like a drying aid. I honestly feel like this one's a little bit much better than that one, but anyways, that's just my opinion. It works amazing, have no issues yet. But you guys have a great Monday, be safe, and I'll see you guys next time.